In these clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove and replace an engine valve cover that is cracked, excessively worn, rusted out, or otherwise defective. In this clip, we're going to talk about installing the valve cover bolts and the torque specifications for those bolts. As you can see, right here on my trusty magnetic tray, we have several different size bolts. These ones in particular, there's a whole bunch of those, and we have two that are unique. The shorter of the unique ones goes up in the front center of the valve cover, and the longer of the unique ones goes in the middle center of the valve cover. It's a good idea to start all of your bolts before you begin the tightening sequence. That way you can ensure that they'll all begin just by finger tight. If you put in one bolt and tighten it down, the torque may actually shift your valve cover, causing you to be unable to align the other bolt holes. Got the last one right back here. Once you got them all started, it's okay to go ahead and begin your tightening sequence. You're going to want to refer to your local parts store or to the package that the gasket came in, or your vehicle's owner's manual, or possibly the dealer, to get the torque specification for these bolts. This is my vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down to what I know is good. You're always going to want to start, if there is a most central bolt, you're going to want to start with that one and work your way out. This specification is approximately 20 to 30 inch-pounds, not a whole bunch. From the center bolt, you're going to go to the next closest one. It's going to be right here. Okay, and from there you're going to hop across. Just for time constraint purposes, I'm not going to actually tighten all of the bolts on film for you. We went from here to here. From here, what we're going to do is go directly across to this bolt. And from there, we're going to go diagonally across to this bolt, and then directly across to this bolt. As you can see, the pattern that we're starting is what we're going to do is work this valve cover out flat, like this, just like you were rolling out pizza dough. If you were to start at the end and just work one direction, what that may do is roll your valve cover this way. It can possibly crack it or misseat your gasket. Like I said, I'm not going to do the whole pattern here on camera. Just giving you the idea. Depending upon the bolt pattern, it may vary for you, but what you're going to want to do, like I said, is start in the center and work out this way.